There's howler monkeys. There's jaguars. This is Central America. Oh, look at that. Look at those bad boys. That will definitely cause a bad day. Big old spikies. Gotta have your head on a swivel in the jungle. It's hot. Let's keep going. All right. You know, anytime I come to Central America, when I'm in Belize, I always carry a couple key items with me, no matter what, no matter where I'm going. It's just smart options, factoring in the weather, factoring in the climate, hazards that exist. You really can't go wrong just having these 3 little items. You can add or subtract, it's up to you. This is where I'm gonna stop. Take a little break from exploring, but this is where I want to be. So first and foremost, the #1 item that I think just makes any trek into a jungle, whether you're in the Amazon, Central America, even like someplace like a Louisiana bayou, is some form of machete. You can usually pick them up wherever you wind up going, but I travel with my Boma. Real easy to wield, good mass up front, but a solid sharp machete is vital. More importantly, knowing how to do a sand sharpening on a dead log is just as important. So #1 is definitely a machete, Boma, some sort of hacking and slicing, chopping sort of knife. #2, always a form of hammock, whether you bring one from home or you pick one up in the local village. Bottom line, they're gonna get you up off the ground. That is where the predators are. That's where the issues lie. From snakes to scorpions, centipedes, ants, bullet ants, anything that's going to be a real hazard. A good hammock is definitely going to get the job done. That's it. All right, so machete, Boma #1, hammock #2, last but not least, I would definitely bring some sort of water filtration. It doesn't have to be a Grail. I like one that has a container because it allows me to not only go to a water source, drink that water after it's been filtered, but more importantly, I can carry water with me, which is essential. Life straws, certain water filtration systems are water on the go once you've hit that spot. This allows me to bring it with me. Now you might be thinking, why aren't you worried about fire? Well, it's not cold, so I don't need any source of heat. Will fire help keep some bugs and things away? Absolutely. Am I worried about that? Not necessarily. In some environments, I would need fire to boil my water or process my water. But here, since I've got a full filtration system, there's no issues whatsoever. What about cooking food? What about hunting game or catching fish or anything like that? Yes, if those opportunities present themselves, I'll definitely build a fire. But fortunately, in most jungles, it is not hard to find food, whether it's in the form of bananas, coconuts, papaya, any sort of natural nuts. There are tons of things to eat in a forest if you know what you're looking for. Requires no processing, and you're good to go. Well, that's been a good rest. I think it's time to move on. Get a little path down to the bottom, see if we can locate some water. All right, those are the 3 things that I personally recommend if you're traveling into a jungle. You should carry with you cutting tool like a big machete or boma, some sort of hammock to get you up off the ground, and a very quick and easy way to filter your water. You'll be good to go. Create the fire when you find the food. If you gotta cook it, if not, eat the fruits, eat the nuts, eat the tubers. They all exist. And don't forget your cool leaf headband. You'll be rocking and rolling. All right, appreciate you watching. Forgot my camera.